They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can...
What if I told you this entire scene was made by AI? No actors, no cameras, no crew. Just a few words typed into a box. And boom, a cinematic masterpiece. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to Google VEO 3. And yeah, it's very real. This isn't just another AI toy that stitches together clips or fakes a voiceover. This is Hollywood in a black box. And yeah, it's real. Google VEO 3 is their latest AI video generator, and it's on another level. We're talking full-on cinematic shots generated from text. Not just visuals, realistic motion, natural lighting, perfectly synced audio, even tiny camera moves. Just from typing what you want to see. Say, a motorcycle chase through the rain-soaked streets of a future New York. Done. Or a quiet, emotional breakup between two AI robots at sunset. Done. And the crazy part, it looks good, like disturbingly good. So, how did we get here? Let's rewind. AI video generators started simple. Grainy clips, broken physics, people with way too many fingers. You probably laughed at them on Twitter. But over the past year, things got serious. Models started learning from movies, from YouTube, from real-world footage, and now they can create full sequences with continuity, correct object placement, camera cuts, even emotional tension. VEO 3 doesn't just generate a clip, it directs it. It knows how stories are told visually. Here's an example. Someone typed, a surfer riding a massive wave as the sun sets behind him, with orchestral music playing. What VEO 3 created looked like something straight out of a Patagonia ad. You can take a VEO 3 generated scene and edit it. Want to change the lighting? Just describe it. Need to change the camera angle? Just say it. Zoom in on her face as she cries. There's even built-in understanding of real-world physics and geography. So if you ask for a mountain biking shot in the Alps, VEO 3 gets the terrain, the lighting at that altitude, even how fast the rider should realistically move. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. But let's talk about what this means, because that's where things get wild. Think about YouTube. Millions of creators making videos every day. Tutorials, skits, music videos, commentary. Now imagine giving them the power to generate anything their imagination can think of. Without a budget, gear, or even a camera. You want a space battle with your own voiceover? Easy. You want to recreate your dreams? Literally possible. This could completely democratize storytelling. And for filmmakers, VEO 3 could be the most powerful previs tool ever made. Directors could plan their shots visually before even stepping on set. Indie filmmakers could create visual effects they could never afford. Animators could prototype scenes in hours, not months. But here's where it gets tricky. Because if AI can do all this, what happens to us? What happens to the editors, the cinematographers, the set designers? What happens to actors when AI can generate perfect digital faces with perfect performances? You might be thinking, sure, but people will always prefer human stories. And maybe that's true. But when AI content looks just as good and drops instantly for free, do average viewers even care? And it's not just creators feeling the heat. Studios are already looking into this tech. Imagine how fast Netflix or Hulu could produce content without having to pay for sets, crews, or months of post-production. This isn't some far-off Black Mirror episode. This is happening right now. But maybe it's not all doom and gloom. Because while VEO 3 can generate, it can't feel. It doesn't understand heartbreak or joy or loss. It can mimic those things, sure, but it's not pulling from life, it's remixing pixels. That means the real power might be in combining human creativity with AI capability. Writers and directors who know how to tell stories, but now have superpowers. Imagine giving a broke college film student the same tools as Pixar. Imagine a solo YouTuber generating a full season of anime by themselves. That's not the death of creativity, that's a rebirth. So, where does this go? Is Google VEO 3 the future of video? Honestly, maybe. It's not perfect yet, but it's moving fast, faster than we're ready for. The big question isn't, can AI replace human creators? It's how will human creators use AI? Will we let it replace our voices, or will we use it to amplify them? Either way, the genie's out of the bottle. And if you're a creator, a fan of film, or just curious about where this is all heading. You're living in a time when stories can be created with a sentence. That's terrifying and absolutely incredible. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI video will replace traditional filmmaking? Would you watch a show entirely generated by AI if it looked just as good? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading everyone. And if this blew your mind even a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who still thinks AI is just ChatGPT answering homework questions. Oh, and check out my next video where I test whether VEO 3 can recreate my childhood memory from just one paragraph of text. The future of storytelling just arrived, and it's learning fast.